Can you guess the quantity? It looks like just a few bags of screws. But don't be fooled. These carbon steel Phillips thread-forming screws 4x10mm. Technical details. Material: steel SWS22A strength grade, 8.8 equivalent. Drive type: Phillips head style. Truss head with integrated flange. Process: thread forming for thin sheet applications. Surface finish: zinc-plated. 192-hour corrosion resistance test. Application: automotive sheet metal and stamp bed components. What looks like just bags on the floor is actually a full automotive production batch. Moving through surface. Treatment before final shipment.